So today our squishy package has arrived and we're very excited, and we
Yes.
only purchased 3 squishies because it's kind of
Kinda
expensive,
expensive.
and thank you for Shopee. So we're going to come back if the box is already opened. So guys, we opened our squishy package and it has the packaging. So these are the packagings.
Oh my
We have 2 of these and we have 4 packagings. What?
Oh my gosh, guys.
This is our first product.
Wait,
It's
there's
the Keropi.
There's extra.
This
Oh
is
my
an
gosh, it's
extra,
so
guys.
soft.
So it looks like a little owl. So this is the extra.
It
Thank you
smells
for
so
the extra.
Good.
This smells so good as well.
Smell this one.
This is not really that polarizing, but it's totally fine.
This is
Smells
so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
And our Aridi apple.
Oh, this is so soft.
Look at this. So polarizing.
Oh my gosh, this is so soft. So soft. Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my god. Where's the extra one?
This is so much soft. My god.
This is the
Can
Aridi
I
apple.
touch
It's
it?
so polarizing. Oh my god.
I think that's my favorite.
This is so soft. This is the softest squishies I've ever touched.
Oh, this is a dream come true.
Yeah.
This smells so good.
And
too.
this is the extra.
This is my favorite, the extra. I just love it.
So we ordered in total of 3 squishies, but the seller gave us
4 for extra.
yeah, this is an extra. Thank you for the extra, and the extra is a good quality squishy as well. So guys, this is my favorite, the Aridi apple.
And this is my favorite. Oh my gosh.
This actually smells so
This is
good.
so slow rising. And this is the softest one actually.
And it's pretty heavy. And this Keropi, I like it all, but my all-time favorite is this one. And they come with packagings. So this is the packaging. It's so crisp. So guys, we've already put them inside of the packaging. So that is the packaging of the extra one and the Keropi one.
It's the same, guys.
Yeah. And the octopus. I'm just going to put the price in the screen. This is the octopus. And of course, my favorite, the Aridi apple. So guys, if you like our video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Anikamielle. And if you want to get a shoutout in our next video, just comment down below, #SquishySquad, and you might get a shoutout in our next video if our comments are not disabled. So, yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye! See you in our next video. Bye!